Where we're at here is shed 47. And it goes all the way through here. If you can see that or not. And there's a ladder. Looks like we get to climb on top. And Donner Lake in the background. Okay, now we're up top of 47. These cables here and these eyes appear to be something to tie the snow shed into the main wall over here. Give it a little extra help so it don't fall away. And out over here is Donner Lake. Pretty cool up here. And this is looking down the rest of the shed. More here. And somewhere over there's my Jeep. And that's the ladder right there you come up on the lake. That's the west end of Donner over there. See if we can do this. Now we're at the east end. So I think I got a little build up here. And underneath here there's a switch. I don't know if you can see it. There's two tracks coming in. So we got two tracks coming in, and I'm going to just guess that this propane tank here is for applying heat to the switch, which I'm probably standing on top of, so it doesn't freeze up in the wintertime. Back side of the wall, closest to the mountain. And if you look here, you can see the anchor bolts. Tie all this stuff together with here. Kind of trippy up here. And then a little farther down, this is a pretty steep part here. It looks like what they've done is they've come in here and put some barricades, some snow barricades up. I'm guessing what those do is they prevent like an avalanche from coming down. Supposedly it'll stop it or help block the snow from coming down, totally covering the shed here. Here's another trippy anchor they have tying the inside edge of the retaining wall here to the roof panels on the snow shed. I don't know if they had problems with this thing or they thought it was going to walk away or what, but pretty well got it tied in here. Okay, now on the east end of Tunnel 47 up top here, if you look out, if I can zoom in, you can find the old snow sheds somewhere up here where I came through. There they are, part of them. So it's been pretty cool up here. Got to take a lot of pictures and videos. Shots inside the tunnel here, just for the heck of it. I don't even see much. There's a light at the other end. Of course, there's always light at the other end of the tunnel, theoretically. And then, of course, it wouldn't be right unless I took some pictures of Mr. Ladder that helped me get up top there. It's all welded steel. It's a pretty safe ladder.
Up right now, I'll be getting out of your way here directly. Over. Copy that. Bunch up. Thank you for the heads up. No problem. Bunch up.
Oh, look what we have here. So I can zoom in on this guy. Got a deer. A couple deer. Bambies up here. So we've seen a few of them up here since we've been up here. They're coming along one of the retaining walls. I don't know if this used to be a shed or what. It might have been. We're heading west from Tunnel 47 towards the Outpost 196. Around the corner here, we're about almost about a third of the way back. See, we still got snow up here on that's Mountain Judah up there with the snow on it. It's pretty neat up here, and it's cool. And this is getting to be about close to the halfway point back. There's a signal bridge here with the lights on it, set on each side. Last time I came through here on the Amtrak when we got stuck in the snow was up to, where was it up to? Okay. Where'd it go? Those hash marks there. The snow was up to the top of those marks on the signal bridge. See before. Looks like they've got a some kind of a detector here. Catch if something's hanging or dragging from the bottom of the train. And we haven't heard this one go off. I think this is one that only talks on defect, so you won't hear it unless there's something wrong with the train.